Hello, this is the Block BMX, and I'm just going to do a quick bike check on my bike. show them the man. You've got a lovely man there. Right, first off, this is a Wethepeople Reason 2012 frame. It got powder coated or painted blue. You can tell it's Wethepeople because it's got, I don't know if you can see under there, little gusset. Don't you gusset? Yeah, it's something like 20.75 top tube or something like that. But it's really, I find it comfortable. It's not too long, not too short. I've got United Grande bars, Nathan Williams Grande bars made by S&M, 8.25 rise, 29 wide, something like 11 back sweep and something else. Just custom Wethepeople, not custom, stock Wethepeople Reason, like they were on my Wethepeople Reason. These are the Salt Plus HQ forks, which I don't really like them, but you know, make do. The Stolen Mob cranks, which have been painted the same colour as the bike, which is French blue, if you want to ask. Odyssey twisted PCs, spin, oh yes, look at spin. BSD Black Neck V2 stem in black. It's front load, pretty nice. Yeah, holds the bars, never slip. I've got the Salt Plus, no Salt, it's just a Salt headset, but it's been creaking a lot somehow, but it stops now. Typical. Yeah, I've got fit FAF tyres in front one 2.3, back one, rear one 2.1, no, not 20.195. I just do that because that's a street tyre, but it's still got a bit of grip on, and that's more of a knobbier tyre. Don't get the folding ones. They've got like folding ones, but really don't get them. They wear the tyre away really fast, and they make the tyre thinner as well, so I've been told. These are the Odyssey Aaron Ross grips, keyboard grips, really comfortable. Take a while to wear in, probably like a week. Just the Salt Moto brake lever or something. I ride brakes, I just like brakes. Odyssey power ends, which are, I've had no problems with them. Didn't think they would be this strong, but they're actually really strong. Take whatever you throw at them. United squad seat pivotal, United value seat post, I don't know if you can see that there. Salt seat clamp, had no problems with that, so I don't need to replace it. Salt brake arms, calibers, whatever. I've got Eclat brake blocks there, the gel, so they're quite nice. Yeah. I've got, these are just, they came on my Wethepeople Reason. They are the Salt Aero rims. Got any now, Siren or Chiron or whatever, with Salt hubs, just general Salt hubs, and I think I don't know what spokes they are, the spokes. Normal nipples, brass nipples, you know. Loving the brass nipples. This is a Salt Summit rear rim, modelling it there for you, with a Salt cassette, with a 9-tooth Salt cassette hub, driver hub, cassette driver hub, driver. Lovely. I know some people like this stuff, so lovely. Isn't it lovely? Got a normal Salt AM chain, Eclat Silos Brocken 26. Really nice, I love it. Trying to think what else. It's just a normal Salt hub on there. If I've missed out anything, just tell us in the tell us in the description or comment.